Hi all, in this session we are going to learn how we are going to make changes to the code will be automatically deployed over Azure resources with the help of CI/CD pipeline. In this session we are going to learn what are the different types of settings which we need to done in order to make the automation way. Everything we are going to discuss in detailed manner in this session. Let us understand CI/CD pipeline. In the last session, we had already discussed how to create the CI/CD pipeline. This is the flow of CI/CD pipeline. Whenever developer push the code from his local machine to the Azure repo, the CI pipeline is going to run and it is going to build the code. And whenever it has built the project code, it is going to generate the artifact. And the CD pipeline is going to take the artifact from the CI pipeline. It is going to deploy over the targeted environment, that may be Azure virtual machine or container or app services. So based on your project requirement, suppose you have one client requirement, like the client is looking to change some content on your web application. What he will do, he get back to the developer, he will explain his requirement. Based on the client requirement, the developer will do some modifications to the project code. Whenever the developer had done the modification, what he will do, he is going to push the modification code to the Azure repo on same branch. So whenever, suppose assume the developer has pushed the code, will CI pipeline will automatically triggered? No, we didn't set. Every time I need to set manually. So here there is a time effort which is required, dependency is there. So I just want to make, whenever the developer has pushed the code in the Azure repo, automatically the CI pipeline need to be triggered. And whenever the CI pipeline has been triggered, then automatically the CD pipeline is also triggered based on the CI pipeline completion. If CI pipeline has been succeeded, then automatically the CD also need to be run and it need to be deployed the code over the Azure services. How that will be happened? So I'm going to show to you in a practical manner. So here, come to the Azure DevOps, and right now I'm in the Dev Tester 98 organization. So I'm going to open CI/CD pipeline project. So in this project only we had developed the CI/CD pipeline on the last session. So if you see here, which repo I am using? Here I am using the repo 1 master branch. So here my source code is there. And coming to the pipelines, how many pipelines we have? One is CI pipeline and the second one is CD pipeline. Suppose if developer has pushed the code from his local machine to this repo, will CI pipeline will be triggered automatically? No, not at all. So how I will make? So you need to click on the pipelines and just click on the pipeline. Here you have the option, click on edit. So here go to triggers. Here you just need to enable continuous integration. So whenever developer has pushed the code into the master branch, automatically the CI pipeline will be triggered. Okay, save. And okay, the CI pipeline will be run. Once the CI pipeline has been succeeded, it is going to generate the artifact. Whenever the new artifact is generated, the CD pipeline need to be triggered. How that will be done? So again, go to the release pipeline, click on the release pipeline. Here you have the option edit. Click on edit, edit pipeline. Here you have the option, you have the charging option is there now. Just click here. Then you just need to enable this option. What will happen? If you click here, enable the trigger will create a new release every time a new build is available. Here it is clearly understood. Whenever a new build is available, automatically the CD pipeline will be triggered. We just need to enable this option. Okay, close it, save. Okay, successfully I had done the settings. Then what I need to do, in order to test it, I need to do some kind of modification to the project code. So instead of doing in your local machine, right now what I will be do, I am going to do modification over the Azure repo. Here go to repo, and will we do any kind of modification in the master branch? No, it is not at all recommended. I am going to create new branch. The branch name is B1, otherwise test branch. Okay, and just click on create. What is the reference? So the test branch will be created based on the master branch, means whatever the code is available over the master branch, the same will be replicated over the test branch as well. Just click on create. Right now are you in the test branch, and whatever the modification you want you can do in the test branch. Once you have development is done, just merge the code from your test branch to master branch. These things we had already discussed in the last session. Here you just need to go to the MVC5 and here go to views, and here just click on the views.html or just shade layout.cshtml. This is the layout page. Okay, and if you observe here, if I am accessing my virtual machine, is it showing web page or not? Yes, it is showing web page. And here if you observe app and pass, I want to change this content as per the client requirement. What I will do, here come to the layout file, here you have the app and pass. So in order to do modification, what you need to just click on edit. Here what you will be done, here where it is, come, yes, app and pass. So simply come, I am going to mention Suneel Cloud IT Tech. Okay, commit. Without disturbing anything, simply you are changing some name. This is the assume this is your client requirement. Whatever, even the single letter is also a kind of modification. You need to replicate over the real-time environment. So you had done the modification, and you need to merge the modified code to the master branch. Here test branch will be merged into the master branch. Just click on create, and this is my project for lab purpose, so I am going to approve and complete. And okay, complete merge. So here you will get merge has been completed. You will get the pop-up. Wait until it has been completed. Yes, completed. Then if you have the doubt whether it has been successfully merged or not, then you can be able to see from the files. Go to repos and go to master branch. In master branch, go to here, go to views, go to shade layout.cshtml. So are you able to see the Suneel Cloud IT Tech? Yes, this is the modification you had done. Is it replicated over master branch or not? Yes, it has been replicated. Then I need to, so the code has been pushed. So whenever the code has been pushed, the pipeline need to be triggered or not? Yes, check whether the pipeline has been triggered or not. Is it pipeline running or not? Did I done any manual? No. Automatically, whenever I had pushed the code to the master branch, automatically the CI pipeline will trigger the changes to the code. Whenever it finds the changes happening to the master branch, then automatically it is triggered. It is going to run. And here, okay, fine. So the agent job 1 has been succeeded. One artifact produced. So once artifact has been successfully produced from the CI pipeline, what the further step? This build is taken by the CD pipeline as an input. The release pipeline is also need to be executed. So did I started? No. Here the pipeline has been automatically initiated. So simply whenever I push the code to the master branch, that is the main branch, automatically the CI pipeline run. Automatically upon the completion of CI pipeline, the release pipeline is also going to run. Check. Is it succeeded or not? Yes, it has been succeeded. And if you refresh it, it will show it instead of app and pass, it is showing Suneel Cloud IT Tech. Refresh it. Sometimes maybe it will take some time, but surely it is a thing. Otherwise I am going to copy the IP address. Yes, it's not required. Here Sunil Cloud IT Tech is there not? Yes. Here the changes which had been modified automatically deployed over the Azure resources or not? Yes, obviously. This is what we can set CI/CD pipeline in an automation way. Whatever the changes happen to the code will be automatically deployed over the targeted environment. Here we had deployed over single target. In real time, we have the multiple targets are there, multiple environments are there. So based on the requirement, you are going to deploy the code over single environment or multi environment. It is purely based on your project requirement. In this way, we can be able to do the automation. Like everything will be automated. Here, did I initiated any manually? Nothing. I didn't touch anything in manually. Whenever I push the code to the master branch, automatically the CI pipeline has been triggered. Then after that, the CD pipeline has been triggered. Finally, the modification happened to the code will be successfully deployed over the targeted environment. I can be able to see the same. So this is what happened in the real-time environment as well. Hope you guys understood. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you for joining. We'll meet up in the next session with a new topic. Until signing off. Thank you. Bye bye.